Dun lang din.
She knows. She knows we're leaving.
Chu, kasi yung puppies. Nancy will stay in the guest room.
Oh, how about Chuleta?
In the pantry.
Oh.
Chuleta to hear like Harry Potter.
Ma.
Yan naman gusto niya eh. I will bring her to the bedroom. Ayaw. Hindi siya naiinitan doon. Siguro.
Hindi, wala ito yung fan.
Grabe na siya magpalambing sa'yo. Not so much. Happy?
Sobrang pagod ako. Grabe, parang babagsak na talaga ako. Ready to sleep? Parang ilan hours lang ba tayo? 3 hours.
Oo, mga ganun. And then mga 1 week na bakbakan. Actually 1 month na walang tigil. And ito na yung pahinga natin when we go back to Dubai.
Excited na ako.
Anong una mong kakainin?
Akhtar bar.
Meron kaming paboritong Pakistani restaurant. Parang no fail na every time we land, yun yung kinakain namin. Lamb, curry, biryani. Yan. Hello sir.
Hi.
Basta?
Hello sir.
Chips for later. And syempre dahil may chips tayo, meron tayong this is your tuna egg and cheese. And then yung isa is salami, pepperoni, cheese, bell pepper, lettuce. Wala pa ng bell pepper. Anyway. Eto. Let's create our own little business class experience here.
Wala kang
Nuts?
matamis.
Bigyan mo ng flight attendants ng nuts. Tingin mo.
Pwede na.
Baka kulang.
Oy, tandaan mo dala.
Galing Japan pa to. What's this?
Snap.
Oy, first time na sa window siya. Nung last time na sa window ka, wala kang bintana eh, di ba? Twice. Twice na sa window ka, walang kang bintana. British Airways A380. Daming A380 dito sa Pilipinas, ano? Ayun, may isa pa oh. Lufthansa. But I guess it can only land and take off here pag walang pasahero, no? Because our runway is not too long. Tama ba guys? And nakabalot pa ang isang 321neo natin. Wala pa kasing parts eh. Yun yung problem. Uy, may Emirates pa sa loob oh. Chicken barbecue. Ito.
Chicken curry.
Ay, beef curry na lang.
Beef curry.
Meron ba?
Yes.
Okay. Nakakamiss kasi yung curry eh. Yan. Thank you.
Just with ice cream.
Ayan si Purser. Ta-da! Beef curry. I can smell the curry leaves. Magbo-bread and butter ba tayo? Kasi lang wag na. Pero tradition natin yan eh. Lambot ah. Masya. Sige. Thank you ah. It's so tender. It's so tender. Tingnan mo. Walang kalawal-lawal. beses ko na sinasabi yan. No, pero when I go back to Dubai, I will work out na. I need to get back in shape. Did you sleep? Ilang oras tulog mo?
Claim your luggage at belt number 1. I repeat, belt number 1.
Hi, Purser.
Chef, bye-bye.
Ingat.
See you.
See you.
Bye, thank you.
Touchdown Dubai, and yes, we are not minimalists at all.
Ano natin pag-usapan?
Okay, kuha tayong malaking van para makauwi tayo. Sobra kaming excited umuwi kasi ang bahay namin inayos ng friend namin na si Kitty. Naalala nyo guys si Kitty, yung designer. Yung nag-design ng, yung nag-renovate ng Kuya, ng Sarsa. Yan yung kasama namin madalas rin. Nagiging family friend na rin. Anyway, she stayed kasi in Dubai or sa aming apartment for 3 weeks. So habang dun siya nakatira sa bahay namin, inayos niya. So sobra kaming excited ni Camille to see the change. Okay. Get big car, ha? Big car. That one? Okay, Camille, here.
Would you like to go?
Okay. We're back. Order tayong pakdar bar mamaya. Thank you, Harris. Okay. Tinulungan kami ni Harris. Walang trolley eh. Okay. We can do this, Camille? Okay, we are maximalists, yes. Okay. Huh?
Maximalist.
Maximalist. Ano ba sabi ko?
Hindi ko alam. Parang hindi.
I said maximalist. Alak. Okay, house reveal. So excited. Sabi kasi ni Kitty, hindi daw talaga kami. Hindi daw namin ipasok muna yung gamit. We have to appreciate the house first. Oh wow. It's different.
Is this our home?
It is.
Huwag saan gusto hindi mo nagamit ah.
Oh,
Stay
look,
clean.
look who's talking. Kids. Entrance pa lang, maganda na. Uy, meron na akong... Ano ba?
Ba, may pa-basketball ka. Wow, finally may nag-organize ng caps mo. Carlo, thank you so much. Hindi mo alam kung gaano ka meaningful to dahil napaka-gulo ng caps ni JP.
Okay, tara. Pasok tayo sa living room.
Oo, yung mga plants mo.
Aircon, aircon. Okay. Oh, that's new.
Wow.
Wow.
Ito talaga, ito yung ano.
Wow. Ito yung gift nila sa amin. Si Carlo and Kitty got us this. Astig naman. Yaka.
Oh, wow. Ang ganda ng lamp. And my photos. These are my photos.
Oh,
And this one.
Camille
Kay
took
Kitty
the...
yung mga iba.
Astig. Thank you, kids. Kilala mo talaga kami. Oh, may note pa oh. May instructions.
Oo.
Thank you for putting this here. This is such a good book.
Sabi niyo, oh wow.
Ooh, wow, we have a new rug.
Wow, ang ganda.
And the plants are happy again.
Wait, on natin to. And on the set. Light and smell.
Uy, meron na tayong first nating record.
Grabe.
Oh, bago to. Hindi, matagal na to. She just arranged it. Galing, iba talaga. Kitty.
Yung plants mo parang except for some recovering.
Grabe, inayos talaga nila. Nakatabingi na yung microwave.
Look at this, oh.
Hey, cool.
Ganda ng box na to.
Bahay ba natin to? Balita ko yung bedroom. Kitty and Carlo, thank you so much for making our house so beautiful. Hindi lang siya maganda, functional rin siya. Inorganize nyo pa, inayos nyo pa, and dinagdagan nyo pa ng mga gamit. Yung talagang nabaliw ako yung how you guys were able to rearrange certain things na hindi namin naiisip. Well, syempre, kaya special kayong dalawa. Kaya magaling kayo sa ginagawa nyo. Anyway, sila Kitty and Carlo, they're our friends. I told you guys about them earlier.
Daming biniling base ni Carlo.
Oh.
May coffee. Look at my coffee area. Nagsimula yan, 3 lang yan. Ngayon parang mga 12.
Guys, too much naman to. So sila Carlo and Kitty, they nag-house sit sila sa bahay namin for 3 weeks kasi they were here in Dubai for a project. And dito sila tumira. And yun, sarap pala pag may ganyang klaseng bisita, no? Alright, we're gonna order food. Please repeat the order.
Okay. 1 mutton chops. 1 chicken tikka biryani.
Yes.
1 mutton sauce. Matlab.
Yeah.
Mutton dish.
Yeah. Lamb chops.
1 chicken white.
Yeah, 1 chicken white.
1 dal. Yellow dal.
Extra.
Yes.
Yeah, but you send more, right? You send...
Okay, we get more. No problem.
Okay.
You don't want roti?
No roti, just rice.
Okay. Rice only 1 portion you take?
Yeah, just 1 portion.
Okay. Tell your location, sir.
Pak Darbar. My favorite na yung Pakistani restaurant. Babe, tingnan mo. Halika. Sobrang bilis, no? That's why I love ordering here kasi wala pang 30 minutes nandun.
Oh, hindi ka naman nagmamadali.
Kasi masarap yung gulay nila dito. Matamis yung carrots dito.
Bibilisan mo. Nag-jet lag na kasi ako. Parang inaantok na.
Kasi plus... minus 4 si... teka lang. Plus 5 si Pilipinas, no?
Plus 4.
Plus 4 pala, sorry. Dito na ako sa Dubai kumakain ng... it's called Pak Darbar. Dito na ako sa Dubai kumakain ng carrots na hilaw. Tamis eh. Okay, ito na yung winner. Ito. Extra na dal. Bukas na to. Ano to? I smell lamb chops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ito ang
biryani. And guess how much lang tong lahat? Wala pa tong 1,500 pesos.
oh,
Imagine.
94 dirhams to be exact.
Yep.
This is good for like what? 4 people? No?
Oo.
Tikman natin ito. Ito yung lamb, no? I'm back.
Pwede na ako kumain.
Pwede na.
Thank you.
Hello, Kuya. It's been a while. Hi. Hello. Ito yung mga special moments namin. Sports fest, mga events, mga chefs na bumisita, mga kabayan na nag-enjoy. Chef Lay. Ayan. Once a week, every Thursday, meron tayong family meal. Yung luluto ngayon is si Chef Eman. Ano yung sabaw yan?
Gawin po namin yung ulo nung
Ito yung, ano nga tawag dito?
Ito yung kinunot.
Ha?
Kinunot.
Pinunot. May gata, tapos?
Isda siya, may gata, may malunggay, tapos meron siyang lemongrass, tapos isa sa luya. Luya garlic.
Gaano mo katagal niluto to?
Yung pag-boil ko ngayon na chef, siguro mga 15 to 20 minutes. Tapos ngayon, mga 10 minutes na.
Ano pa yung mga gulay dyan?
Gumamit ako chef ng fresh na na nyog. Ginata ko talaga siya.
Oh. Tara, kain tayo. Ini 2 years na ni Sato, no? Ini, firmi bunyagan. Ayan, si Limuel, yung taga-asikaso ng ating halaman. Ari tambok, no? Ayan, si Ivan, yung aming security. Okay, come. May in-invite niya daw yung isa na security. Nakasama na yan sa atin? Or ngayon pa lang? Yung isang security? Yung head na. Oo. Nakasama na yan? Okay.
You know what that is? Kinunot.
What is it? Yun nga. What is it? Alam mo ba?
Mga Bicolana. Ano yung best? Breaded fish.
Hi, Princess. Kumusta? Oy, that's the other way around. Ayan yung kaibigan ni Ivan. Actually, yun yung boss niya. Nagpaalam siya kung pwede niya daw i-invite. Sabi ko, oo naman. Tara. Let's go eat. Then this is fish head tamarind soup or sinigang.
Hey!
Alright, let's go. Let's eat.
Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome. Oh, you like eating rice now, huh?
Yeah.
You're Filipino already, huh?
I'm more than Filipino now.
You're more than Filipino. Alam na, pag tahimik, ibig sabihin masarap.